With Fox Body prices going through the roof, a lot of people are looking at the SN95 Mustangs. Now, if you own one or are thinking about buying one, today we're going to show you 5 quick mods that are a great way to make your SN95 a much nicer car. No matter what year SN95 you have, the headlights tend to haze and yellow very often, so a brand new set of headlights is a great way to freshen up the look of your car. These smoked Cobra style headlights will look great on any 94 through 98 Mustang, and best of all, they're easy to install in less than 175 bucks. Fresh carpet is one of the best ways to clean up the interior of your SN95 Mustang and give it back that new car smell. We have carpet available in all the factory colors along with some custom colors, and best of all, it's less than 150 bucks. Just like the ashtray door on a Fox Body, it's rare to find an SN95 Mustang without a busted set of door cups. Best thing though, these are very simple to replace. You can do it yourself with just a Phillips head screwdriver, and a brand new set will run you less than 80 bucks. While I love the curves of the SN95 body, if there's one area that Ford missed the mark on the styling department, it was the fitment of the rear wheels, because the shape of this quarter, they just tuck so far in it looks awkward. While a set of wheel spacers is an easy way to fix this, my car here is an 1.5 inch spacer, makes the factory wheels look perfect for the size of the quarter. Best of all, easy to install and less than 80 bucks a pair. While the SN95 chassis had a lot of improvements, a lot of the underneath is still Fox Body. What that means, they can benefit from a set of subframe connectors. A good set of subframe connectors is going to make the car a lot more solid, make your suspension work a lot better. A good set's going to run you around 200 bucks, still leaves plenty of money for the installation to stand at that $500 price point. The SN95 Mustangs are getting up there in age, but they haven't reached the collectability status yet of the Fox Body Mustang, so that means there's some great deals out there and some really nice cars. A few well-chosen fixes and modifications to make that car even better and get you back on the road in no time.